This is MP1495 buck converter. So it converts a high voltage into a low voltage step down conversion, or it is called buck converter, buck. So here we have the board. Then we can choose 5 volts, 3.3 volts, 2.5, 1.5, 1.8, and then 1.5 to its corresponding pin out. To select that, we need to short the 2 pins or the 2 points, these two. So if our supply is should be more than the voltage output, so these are the voltage output. This is the board with many SMD components. Then we're going to use this 12 volts battery. This is a motorcycle battery, Yuasa, made in Vietnam, YTC 8B, Yuasa, 7.4 ampere hour or 20 hour per 120 cca. And then let us test the voltage of the battery. DC. So we set our tester to DC. DC, backlight, negative, positive. So we have 12.10, 12.09 volts DC. That is our voltage input. So this voltage input, 12 volts, we're going to use as an input here in our module. Voltage input located here. This is the inductor, some resistor and capacitor. The voltage is here, IN negative, IN positive. Input, the 12 volts connected here, just like this one. So you can see here, default is 1.25 volts. That is the minimum voltage. It can support up to 3 ampere maximum current. And then we can input 5 to 15 volts as we have seen here in the board. 2 to 3 ampere, 5 to 15 volts input voltage. But in our case, our input voltage is, we're using 12 volts. Let us connect the voltage input here in our battery. We now have our circuit. So the input is connected to the 12 volts battery. That is the input, and the output is connected to the digital multimeter. So initially we have 1.3 volts DC. That is the default voltage. So 12 volts from the input becomes 1.3 to the output. It means it is step down or buck converter. Let us now by shorting the terminal. Okay, let us we can now sort the terminals, or we can solder that the terminal, so we can get the voltage output. This is first, we have this 1.5 becomes 1.5, 1.5, shorting the 1.8, short 1.8, the 2.5, 2.527, and for the 3.3, 3.3 for 5 volts, 5 volts. So by shorting the terminal here, 5 volts to 3.3, 2.5, 1.8, 1.3, we can get the voltage output. And our input is 12 volts. 12 volts to 5 volts, 3.3, 2.3, step down. From 12 volts to 5, 3.3 volts, 2.5, 1.8, 1.5. So it is a step down converter. We can step down the voltage by using this module.